We are trying to prepare our learners even for the future jobs, and basically we are even trying to work on them, those who are interested in film, and that is why we even came up with this the first film that we are able to produce as a school.
I definitely think I'm going to improve better on acting, because now I know the basis of it and I know what to do, and in like most situations, even if it's like just improvising. Yeah,
the kids they have talent. As parents, we are proud of the school. They are doing a good job nurturing the talent of the children, all the kids.
We place our students at the global stage, and we are intentionally doing that, and we don't have to wait for them to get to adulthood to be the filmmakers, but we start it at a very younger age.
Shughuli mbalimbali za kukuza talanta zao, na hizi ndizo zinaweza kuwapa mwangaza zaidi. Wanafunzi sasa wamependa kuwa shuleni kwa sababu wanataka kutangamana na kukuza talanta zao.